Hello, in this question, find the adjoint of the given matrix and hence show that matrix A into adjoint of A is equals to mod of A into identity matrix. Here I3 suggests that the identity matrix is of order 3. So, which is given as -1, 2, 2, -2, -2, 1, and -2, 1, and -2. So to solve it, we need to find the cofactors, which are given as C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, and C23. Similarly, C31, C32, and C33 multiplied by the transpose of the matrix. So the cofactors have an important property that the sum of its position, that is C21, if it is odd, then it becomes negative. Similarly, 1 plus 2 gives 3, so it becomes negative. 2 plus 3 is 5, so it becomes negative. And 3 plus 2 is also 5, which makes it negative. So finally, the adjoint of matrix A is given as -3, -6, -6, 6, 3, sorry, 6, 6, 3, -6, -6, 3, followed by its transpose. So in the transpose, we change the rows and the columns. So here it becomes the complete adjoint of matrix A. So here we can see the columns, that is -3, 6, and 6, gets converted into the rows and so on. So the mod here comes out to be 27. Now when we multiply A with the adjoint of A, we get 27 into the identity matrix. Identity matrix of order 3 here is denoted by I3. Hence it is the required solution. Thank you.